Okay, so we're going to talk about RE verbs, and of course I have another super sweet song for you. Okay, so just like ER verbs, just like IR verbs, you guys are going to, step one, take off the ending, which in this case is not ER, but is RE, okay? And then you need to add the correct ending, which is, for RE verbs, S for je, S for tu. For il or L, you do not add an ending at all. Okay, so I'm just going to put X, or maybe I'll put nothing, or no ending. Okay, whatever. For nous, it's O and S again, just like we saw with our ER verbs. For vous, it's easy again, just like we saw with our ER verbs. And for il, elle, you can probably guess it's ENT. Okay. So I'm sorry, but I have another song. Our song goes S S nothing O N S easy ENT. S S nothing O N S easy ENT. Okay. So that should hopefully get into your heads. So let's practice with whatever I have on here next for us. Okay, so you lose. That's kind of mean. I have tu for you and perdre for to lose. Okay, so our first step is to take off the re ending. This leaves us with tu and the verb stem, which is per, P-E-R-D. Then our last thing we need to do is to add the ending, which in this case, for tu, is just an S. So we're going to have tu and P-E-R-D plus S. We pronounce this tu per, okay? So for I wait, let's go ahead and do our 5 little practice problems, okay? So for I wait, it's going to be je, and wait is attendre. To wait is attendre. Okay, so we need to take off our RE and put an S. So this is actually not done, however, because with the je right here and a vowel right here, we need to, oh, it's correcting it for me. How nice. J'attends is how that's pronounced. Okay. He hears the teacher. So he is il. To hear is entendre. That is different from écouter. Écouter is to listen. To hear is entendre. So you're going to take off the RE and add nothing because there's no ending. It's just il entend. The teacher will be le prof, or you know what, we're going to put la prof because je suis prof and I am female. Okay, il entend la prof. Number 3, we respond to the teacher. So we, nous, respond is répondre. Okay, we're going to take off the RE and add ONS. Nous répondons. We respond to the teacher. Can either be, if your teacher is masculine, to the would be O, teacher would be prof. If your teacher is feminine, like me, to the would be à la prof. Okay? I hope we remember that. That was like from French 1. So it's called an ah contraction. Anyway, number 4, they lose. We're going to do a mix of guys and girls. So il is they. To lose is perdre. But we're going to conjugate this, taking off our RE and adding ENT. This is pronounced il perd. You do hear the D in that, il perd. It's very quiet though. And then their phone. So phone, we're going to assume it's a cell phone because you probably wouldn't lose a phone that's connected to the wall in your house. I don't know, no judgment. Okay, there is leur. Phone is going to be portable. portable. Okay, if you don't remember this, that's when you learned mon, ma, me, ton, ta, te, son, sa, se, notre, notre, no, votre, votre, vo, leur, leur, leur. Okay, it means there. Last one, number 5, y'all turn in the test. So y'all is going to be vous. To turn something in is rendre. So we're going to take off our RE and put EZ. The test is going to be L apostrophe examen. It needs to be L apostrophe because it's the test. So it has to be le, la, le. And it's L apostrophe because of this vowel right here. Okay, so I hope that makes sense for RE. Once again, I'm going to sing to you, but don't shut it off because I have important information about your worksheet. Okay, really quick. SS nothing, ONS, easy ENT. Okay, for your worksheet, everybody should be getting a copy on Google Classroom, so you shouldn't have to make your own copy, but if you do, then that's fine. I want you all to be paying attention to whether it's an IR verb or an RE verb. And really that's not very difficult because they're labeled. So for example, you're just going to click and replace. So grandir is an IR verb. Take off the IR and add your ending. Je grandis. Okay? It would be nice for me if you deleted the part that's in parentheses so that your final answer can be a French sentence like this. Okay? Moving on to the RE verbs, I want you to do basically the exact same thing. Let's choose one that looks kind of difficult. Les élèves. Don't forget, with something that's plural, like this one, les élèves is going to be the IL plural. So, répondre is the verb. Take off the RE, add we're on RE verbs. Add ENT. Les élèves répondent aux questions. And please delete the parentheses because otherwise it's just annoying for me to grade it. Thank you. Please let me know if you have any questions. This is what we're going to be going over during the second week of this interval. Okay, the first week of the interval, we're going to be going over more of the vocabulary for our class meeting. If you need help on this worksheet or anything, please, please, please come to my office hours. They're very helpful. Otherwise, merci. Get your work turned in, please. Au revoir.